Welcome to our channel. If you need to change the Wi-Fi network your Amazon Echo is connected to, follow these step-by-step instructions to reconnect Alexa to a new network. Step 1. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet and make sure you're signed in to your Amazon account. Step 2. Tap the devices icon at the bottom of the screen to view all your connected Echo devices. Step 3. Select Echo and Alexa from the list of device categories to see all your Echo devices. Step 4. Tap on the specific Echo device you want to reconnect to a new Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Change next to the Wi-Fi network option in the device settings. Step 6. If your Echo doesn't automatically enter setup mode, press and hold the action button on top of the device until the light ring turns orange. Step 7. In the Alexa app, tap Continue when it detects that your Echo is in setup mode. Step 8. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings when prompted and connect to the Echo's temporary network. Step 9. Return to the Alexa app and select your new Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Step 10. Enter the password for your new Wi-Fi network and wait for the connection to complete. The light ring will turn blue when successfully connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.